In the late 1960s, amidst the family of NSU automobiles, a truly unique and exotic member emerged, the NSU Uruguay. Locally known as the rustic station wagon, this angular and boxy model was a departure from NSU's typical design language of the time. Today, Audi Tradition takes us back to the history of the NSU Uruguay in this fourth episode of their anniversary series. The story of the NSU Uruguay began in Uruguay, where the NSU importer, Quintanar, took the initiative and started producing and selling the station wagon in 1968. Using technical subassemblies from the two-cylinder NSU Prince 4, they quickly sold 140 units by the end of the year. But Quintanar wanted more, a more powerful engine, preferably a four-cylinder. In May 1969, a pivotal meeting took place at the Neckarsulm plant to explore the feasibility of the request. A naked sample body of the NSU Uruguay was flown in for the NSU engineers to work on. They aimed to fit the four-cylinder engine of the NSU Prince 1000, but it presented some challenges. The engine wouldn't fit in the front but found its place in the back of the car. Despite the reduction in cargo space and other technical hurdles, Quintanar remained determined to proceed. With the approval from inspection authorities in Darmstadt, the NSU Uruguay came to life, and from 1969 to 1971, around 500 station wagons were produced in South America, available in P6 and P10 model variants. Sadly, NSU withdrew from the Uruguay market in 1971, which marked the end of the NSU Uruguay. However, the prototype of the NSU P10, the first and only one of its kind to drive on German roads, found its place in the collection of historical vehicles at Audi AG, a testament to its uniqueness and distinctiveness. The NSU Uruguay P10, an air-cooled four-cylinder four-stroke inline engine, boasting 43 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute, with an engine displacement of 996 cubic centimeters. It could reach a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour and had a fuel consumption of 6.5 to 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Today, the NSU Uruguay P10 remains an extraordinary and cherished part of automotive history. Its angular charm and unique design make it a standout among historical vehicles. As we celebrate the legacy of NSU, the NSU Uruguay continues to captivate enthusiasts and remind us of the pioneering spirit of automotive engineering.